Merry Christmas, everybody. It's what, 9:45, Christmas Day, 2009. I'm going to go outside and see how much snow we got. We got drifts, so we're going to measure the drifts and we're going to try to get an accurate actual count. So, here we go. Let's see if we make it out here. Okay, I'll take the camera. Alright. Here we go. Let's get a reading in the door. If I can figure out the inches on here. Alright. Let's see. Whoa. Well, right there is 16.5 inches out the door. So, let me shut the door, Shane. Alright. Let's see here. This whole front yard is pretty much a drift. It starts off down at the mailbox, you can see grass, and then up towards the house. Let's just take a look here. Get a quick measurement. We've got 11.5 inches there, and there's the dogs and Shane inside the house. There's a 17-incher. Okay. So we can't really get a very accurate measurement here. I guess we might have had some trouble getting out of the garage this morning. This is funny. Look over here. The neighbor's yard is pretty much... all the snow is blown up against our house here. And... okay, now if we look down at where I'm standing, the snow is over my knee. Let's get a measurement here. Okay, that is 24 inches. But of course, that's all what's blown into the house. Alright, well, I don't know how much snow we actually got. It's not easy to measure. But as you can see, we got a lot. Hope you enjoyed the video.